This lesson is going to review compound subject and object pronouns. Let's first of all look at the basics. You use a subject pronoun in a compound subject. So for instance, Rocky and Manow play in the marching band. He and Manow play in the marching band. Notice he is taking the place of Rocky, which means Rocky is the antecedent, he is the pronoun. Rocky plays the role of the subject, so we need to use the subject pronoun. That's how we chose he. You're going to use an object pronoun, however, in a compound object. So, the band leader chose Manow and Rocky for the activities council. The band leader chose Manow and him for the activities council. Again, him is going to take the place of Rocky, but now this time Rocky is acting as a direct object, and so we need to use an object pronoun. So we use him. In order to self-check yourself, just to make sure that you're choosing the correct pronoun, you can always try using it alone. So, if you're confronted with a sentence like this, the band leader praised Rocky and blank for their cooperative spirit. You need to decide she or her. Well, one way you can figure it out is to try to decide, is this acting as a subject or as an object? Another way, however, to help figure this out is pretend the Rocky and isn't there. So, would you say the band leader praised she for her cooperative spirit? Or would you say the band leader praised her? My guess is you would say the band leader praised her. That sounds a lot better to your ear. So it doesn't change when we add the Rocky and. So let's make that visible again. And it should say the band leader praised Rocky and her for their cooperative spirit. So when in doubt, just cover up the compound. So cover up the and with the other person's name and see which one sounds the best. It's a good way to self-check yourself just to make sure that you've made the right choice. One other quick rule for you is that when you're including yourself as part of a compound subject or object, please put yourself last. So you say you and I can see the band perform at Thursday's game. Or Rocky left tickets for you and me at my cousin's house. Please do not say me and you, okay? Always put yourself last when adding yourself to a compound subject or object.